JDCap26 here, just to do tips, fares, and hobbies. And as you know, I do videos and I use my iPhone. I know it's not the best thing in the world to use, but it's all I can afford. Okay, so when you have the iPhone up on your tripod and you go to hit it and you have it camera face forward, you want to watch when you hit it. You don't want to move the slider over to the left where it goes to slow mode in video, and that's happened to me, and as a result I've had a few videos like that. So that's one tip I want to tell you about. Another tip is if you're on a phone call and you want to check your video, well, you go into camera and you check all the things. It says photo, video, whatever. Video is not going to show up there. Okay, it'll be gone. It'll be disappeared. It'll say, "Oh, there's something wrong with my phone." There's nothing wrong with your phone. As soon as you get off the phone call, the video icon will come back. The label will come back. So that's what I want to tell you in this iPhone tip for today. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.